Hello everyone, welcome to the first session of the PySpark. In the today's session, we understand the why PySpark is useful as compared to the Python. And after that, we learn how we create a Spark session. PySpark is an interface to the Apache Spark platform, which is powerful tool for the big data processing and the analytics. It is widely used in the industry for the tasks such as data cleaning, transformation, analysis, as well as for building and training machine learning models. So there are some advantages of the PySpark over the Python. So first is a scalability. So PySpark can handle large amount of data and distribute the computation across cluster of machines. This makes it much more scalable than using the Python alone, which can only run on a single machine. Second advantage is the speed. PySpark can be much faster than the Python for the certain task because it can distribute the computation across multiple machines, and because it is built on top of the JVM Java Virtual Machine, which is highly optimized for the performance. So if we compare the speed, so PySpark is always much faster than the Python. So this is the major advantage we can say. The third thing is big data processing. The PySpark is designed to handle big data processing. It has inbuilt libraries for the data analysis, machine learning, graph analysis, and the streaming live data. PySpark is used for the processing large data set, while Python is used for the smaller data set. Nowadays, in the industries also prefer to use PySpark for the data cleaning, data transformation, data analysis, and for the business analysis purpose. Because if you see in the banking as well as the finance domain, so daily transactions data are available, which are available in the large amount of data. So to pre-process this data, here most of the industries or most of the organizations are use PySpark. So to execute our PySpark code, we use a Google Colab. So if we see the interface of the Google Colab is similar to the Jupyter Notebook. So initially, whenever we open this Google Colab, we need to install the PySpark library. For that, we just execute pip install PySpark and execute this code. So once you execute this code, your PySpark package will be downloaded, and once the downloading is completed, then installation will be started. So if you see here, there are total 310 MB. So it takes 2 minutes of time for me for the downloading and the installing. Again, it's based on your machine and your internet connectivity. For me, it's taking 2 minutes of time. In my machine, I already installed PySpark. So that's why here is mentioning requirement already satisfied. But in your case, if you execute this command first time, then first PySpark package will be downloaded, and after that installation will be started. In the today's session, we will cover how to create a Spark session. So first of all, understand what is Spark session. So Spark session is the entry point to any functionality in the Spark. Prior to Spark 2.0, there were 3 separate entry points for the Spark functionality. First one is a Spark context for core functionality, SQL context for SQL and DataFrame functionalities, and Hive context for Hive and its functionality. This was confusing and led to a lot of boilerplate code. Starting with Spark 2.0, new entry point is created, which is called as a Spark session. To create a Spark session, we require Spark session function from the PySpark library. So first we import the Spark session from PySpark.sql import Spark session. Okay, now I call one variable Spark. So here first of all we call the Spark session. Okay, dot builder dot app name. So under this app name you can pass anything. Okay, so here we can pass PySpark demo. Okay. After that dot get or create. So once you execute this code, Spark session will be created. So here our Spark session is created. So I just call Spark object. If you see here, the version is 3.4.1. Master is a local because we are executing the code from the local PC. App name is a PySpark demo. Quickly summarize today's session. So here initially we call the Spark session from the PySpark. After that we create a Spark object. So for that we use SparkSession.builder.app name. Here we pass PySpark demo dot get or create. So once you execute this code, our Spark session will be created. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.